Today I'm excited to be sharing with you my latest sewing pattern. Please meet the Laverna crossover. This bag is the perfect size bag for everyday carry, not too big and not too small. You can wear her over your shoulder or crossbody. The Laverna also holds a full-sized wallet, no problem. So inside of my Laverna, I have my fold and go wallet. This is a sewing pattern that you can purchase on my website as well. I've also done a recent sewing tutorial on this particular wallet right here. I'll put links in the description box for you so you guys can check that out. This was the very first Laverna that I went ahead and created. And let me explain to you what the inspiration for this pattern was. I decided to go ahead and bring in these 3/4 inch wide figure 8 strap connectors. We currently do sell the 1 inch wide figure 8 connectors on our website, and they are a bestseller. So I wanted to also add the 3/4 inch wide ones, but I did not want to use them as a traditional strap connector. I wanted them to be the focal point on a bag, and I think I accomplished that pretty well with the Laverna crossover. I chose the name Laverna after making the very first bag. I felt like it was a very classic looking bag and required a classic name. So I did an online search to get some inspiration, and Laverna came up. I looked at the definition of Laverna, and that means born in the spring. Well, it's springtime, so I thought that that was very appropriate, hence the name, the Laverna crossover. Let's talk about the fabrics that I recommend for your Laverna. If you are deciding to make your Laverna with the figure 8 connectors here as the focal point, I recommend sticking with a solid print like I've done on these 3 right here, because the hardware really needs to shine on the bag and not compete with a printed fabric. If you do not want to use the figure 8 connectors, you can do like I've done right here and allow the overlay to be the focal point on your bag, and you can go ahead and then use a printed fabric. This is a quilting cotton that I've used for the front and the back panels, and I paired that with a Ottertex merino vinyl for the gusset. You could make the Laverna crossover all in quilting cotton. However, you wouldn't be able to then make the overlays because they do require a non-fraying fabric. So go ahead and keep that in mind. But you could certainly go ahead and do a zipper pocket with a zipper facing method if you want to go ahead and do your Laverna in quilting cotton. I recommend a woven interfacing for all of your quilting cotton pieces. You can use SF101, or we sell Sew Woven fusible interfacing on our website as well, or select any of your favorite woven interfacings for your quilting cotton fabrics. For stabilizers, I recommend a lightweight fusible stabilizer such as Decaville Light. I have used Decaville Light on all 4 of these. As this bag is finished with binding, you will need binding. You could use double fold bias tape, waterproof canvas, or fold over elastic, which we sell on our website. For these 3 right here, I chose to use waterproof canvas, and for this one, I went with a fold over elastic. We do have hardware kits available for purchase on our website for the Laverna crossover, so let's go ahead and go over the hardware that will be included in the kit. You'll get the figure 8 strap connectors. You will get 2 of the 45mm O-rings, a 3/4 inch wide mouth strap slider, as well as a strap end. You'll get 6 rivets. You will get a handmade bag tag, and that is what is included in the hardware kit for the Laverna crossover. Now let me go ahead and explain some of the changes that you can make if you want to use the hardware that you have on hand already. So you could make your strap 1 inch wide instead of 3/4 inch wide. Therefore, you would need 1 inch wide hardware for your strap. You could sub out the O-rings for rectangle rings, so that's another choice for you. You could also do D-rings if you want to do swivel snap hooks on your strap, so that's another option. The bag tag here on the back is optional. If you did not want to do the curvy overlay right here, you could go ahead and just do the smaller overlay that is for the lining of the bag and put that on the back exterior. For this bag, I went ahead and went with 1.5 inch wide webbing that we now sell on our website. This is our brand new railroad webbing that you can go ahead and purchase in 8 different colors. I really like the look of the webbing on this particular bag. It really sets it off. So that is the Laverna crossover in a nutshell. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know in the comments box below, or you can email me at contact@sewyours.com. Thank you so much for watching.